Silver, yeah, $26.47. Um, Looking interesting. Yeah, it had a big dump yesterday. The metals did. Gold was back down into, I believe, the 1700s. I'll take a look at that quickly in a minute. But yeah, focusing on silver because that is your leverage play against the god coin, the god commodity of being gold, right? So, and silver's been what creating this consolidation pattern basically for best part of a year. We had the August peak last year, August 11th. What was that high? Let's throw on a candle. Hikinashi. $29.91. So buying a tangible asset in a inflationary environment at a discount in a lengthy consolidation pattern. So yeah, I actually put on a little punt today, a little bet, a silver bet in the futures market. Just a wee amount, maybe $500-600. Yeah, around $600 roughly. Nothing crazy, but it is a leverage play, so is controlling roughly. I think it's around a 9x leverage, right? 9x leverage. So yeah, buying underneath the 18, buying uh, with the Bollinger Band squeezing out like this, risky move. But the momentum has been kind of bottoming, right? After this big old fall here back last year, August down into September. The momentum downwards has been diminishing. Could we see another fall like this? COVID, that's always a possibility, but these are kind of rare events once in a 7 to 10 year period, right? If you go back further, let's go on a weekly. But yeah. So against the backdrop of where silver has been, and the old high was $49.82 up here. Up here. So huge, horrendous bear market, right? But it bottomed in 20. Oh, this. I'm sorry. Excuse me. This is going back all the way to 1980. 1980. Let's go on a monthly. Let's get the zoomed out view then. Now that we are here, and I'll put on the area. Now that we are here, auto. It's basically a cup and handle, right? Everyone's been watching this, and it's taken decades to build. Decades to build. So the likelihood that it will actually perform this cup and handle kind of gives it credence because of the length of time it's been building out. So here we go. The $49.82 high back in 2011. It was a 4 year downward bear, right? Bottomed in 2015. Went sideways for a few years, 4 years, right? And now we're kind of consolidating halfway point, probably to get back up to its old high, at least the test, completing the handle of this cup of handle. But I look at this rise in terms of how long this chart is. It's been quite rapid, quite rapid. So even though we've had a 1 year sideways move, I believe we're about to break up, and this you could actually draw. You could actually draw a Hikinashi. I mean, sorry, a hunt volatility funnel. If we get info line, and you kind of see what's occurring here. Okay, can I get the bomb roughly? So, kind of, penanting on a flag, but this target, this amplitude is actually, I think, around $7. I believe around $7. And yes, 2168, 2170, roughly, and $30. 35 cents as the high. So I believe we would get back into the 30 zone. even just taking this move here up into what, $35. Nice little move, potentially about to break, right? And when I mean potentially about to break, it could take a few weeks. It could take a few weeks to occur, but looking like these higher highs giving upward pressure before a pop, right? So uh, Francis Hunt may have draw this as a Hunt volatility funnel, high one, low one, ignoring this little peak here. Maybe it was some sort of event that caused this spike up, like high two, high three, low three potentially, right? So getting back up to this zone, breaking above this high here of 28.90.95, triggering this pattern, getting up into this zone here. So that's why I got my little leverage trade position on, knowing that potentially we're kind of at the point where it should be turning around. Let's draw a stochastic. A stochastic is approaching oversold. The K line is 26 on the K. D line is 35. Never really got down into this really, really oversold point here below 20, and looking like it's kind of curving up, right? So we will see on middle next week, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we could have hooked around. So yeah, interesting times. Interesting play on the silver. And let's take a quick look at First Majestic. First Majestic will be a leverage play on gold. Double leverage because it's actually leveraged on silver, right? Okay, let's have a quick relook. And this also has a huge pattern that's been forming for a while now. So been watching and waiting. We had this break already occur. So leading the way, a silver miner leading the way against silver. Approaching this zone here, looking like it's wanting to pop, getting up into 25, 36. Since the pattern amplitude is 280, around $25. Adding $25 to this zone here, $36. Yeah, $36. That's why I got this. And the rocket being over performance, right? Rocket being if silver takes out its all-time high, then we could see a triple digit on First Majestic. And again, this may not play out this year, but it may be a 2-3 year bull, right? A 2-3 year bull in precious metals. And it's already kind of giving you the indication. Look, $4.95 up to $17, outperforming tech stocks for sure, right? Your Googles and Apples and Microsoft and your Facebooks. So, good spot to have some exposure to. Okay, guys, quick video, 8 minutes long. Peace, biology. I'm out.